Alright, put the food, water. I'm gonna open my door. A little bit more. Right down a bit. Come on, chicks. Come on. It's a little chilly out here. It's more 10 degrees. It's been like that pretty much all week now. Here they come. Come on, girls. Come on. Good morning. They're cute. Aren't they funny? Here they come. Good morning. Yeah, there's Buddy. You go and say good morning to Buddy, eh? Good morning. I think they taunt him. Good morning, Kentucky. Yeah, I'm talking to you. Who's a pretty boy? Get your women in line there. These ones are huge, but they think they can run around. Then they just plop. Look at Buddy. Give him the chance, he would snatch one right up. Hello. 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 I sometimes sit on here and just watch them. They're so interesting. Good morning, Kentucky. That's Rooster. Kentucky. They're getting big fast. Mm-hmm. Well, good morning, y'all. I wake up to no mountain. It's in the fog. I feel like I'm the only one in the world here. Can't see beyond that. More about chickens in the morning. Alright, y'all have a good one. Bless. Bye-bye.